So you've just wrapped a big event, whether it's a wedding, corporate gathering, college fest, or concert. Now comes the real hustle. Organizing thousands of photos, sharing them with guests, managing selections, watermarking, and making sure your brand or memory stays visible. What if you could automate all of that? Welcome to Kamero, an AI-powered photo sharing tool that makes your post-event life way easier. Let's start from the top. First things first, head over to Kamero.ai, enter your name and email, and verify the OTP. Once you're in, it's time to set up your profile. This helps your brand shine and make it easier for people to connect with you. Just go to Profile and fill in your details, your name, contact number, brand colors, social handles, website, and logo. You'll also find the Set Watermark section if you want to add your custom watermark to all your photos. Now let's create your event. If you've purchased an event pack, click Create Event from Purchased Pack. If you're on a subscription plan, go with Create from Subscription. You can even add a custom event ID or hashtag. Super handy for sharing. Once the event is created, it's time to organize your photos. Create albums for different moments. Maybe it's mehendi and sangeet for a wedding, or panel discussions and networking for a corporate event. You can upload your photos and drag albums to reorder them however you like. Don't forget to choose an album cover for each section and a main event cover for the gallery link. Now here's where Kamero shines. AI face recognition. Guests upload a selfie and boom, they see only their photos. No more endless scrolling. Pretty cool, right? Want to keep pictures private? You can turn on face recognition privacy so guests only see their pictures. And for VIPs or team members who need full access, you can share a 4-digit PIN. Sharing the gallery is just as smooth. Kamero gives you a unique QR code that you can display at the venue. Guests just scan, register, and start receiving real-time photo updates. No app download is needed. They can simply scan and view. You can also manage download settings. Allow all. Guests can download any photo. Personal photos only. Guests can only download their own images. Disable downloads. No one can download or screenshot event photos. Want to collect guest details too? You can capture names, emails, and phone numbers when guests register. Perfect for building your customer list. And if needed, you can enable or disable guest uploads with a limit on how many photos they can add. If a client hasn't completed payment yet, you can pause access to their gallery until the payment is done. You're not just limited to photos. Kamero lets you add videos too. Just paste a link, upload a title and a thumbnail, and it'll show right at the top when guests enter the event ID. Perfect for teaser trailers, highlight reels, or behind-the-scenes edits. And here's where it gets even more powerful. Kamero gives you real-time event analytics. See how many people viewed your gallery, how many unique users you had, and even whether they were on Android or iOS. It's super helpful to understand what's working and how your audience is engaging. Now when your client wants to shortlist photos, they don't have to send you long lists anymore. They can just mark their favorites right inside Kamero and send them over to you. You can then export those selected images in high-resolution JPEG or RAW, ready for album designing or prints. Need to send updates to your guests during or after the event? You can use Kamero's custom notifications to send reminders, venue updates, special discounts, or just a thank you note, all in real time. And if your client wants a quick tweak or changes to their gallery, they can raise an admin request straight from the gallery. You'll get a notification, and with one click, you can approve or reject the request. Simple as that. Everything you need is right there on your home screen. You'll see your available event credits, your subscription status, and even a QR code that lets people follow all your events at once. And if you ever need help, you can reach us directly from the app. Kamero is built for every kind of photographer and every kind of event. Weddings, corporate, concerts, schools, expos, you name it. Let AI handle the organizing while you focus on growing your business and wowing every client. Ready to simplify your workflow? Get started today at Kamero.ai.